So another Jamaican athlete, unable now to compete, adverse analytical finding, and the rumor mill is grinding. But if that athlete now in question just took some medication, please, save the condemnation. That tablet or the tonic contained a diuretic that was listed for attention, and people start asking questions. But therapeutic use exemption, but not in this situation. It don't make no sense go round it. A carelessness that cause it. Her coach should know better as a good example setter. Him should have sent out all the emails and cover all the details. They should have assessed the situation. If needs be, dump the medication. No despair and fear are rising. Jadko not compromising. This one is hard to deal with. We're going to need some time to heal with. Grip my apprehension. I'm thinking no. Suspension. She could get the public warning and start run by a morning. But it could also be stronger, like months or years or longer. Despite the disappointment, let's wait up and be patient. Keep it nice and decent. It's not the best example, and anxiety is ample. Soon the time will pass. Make we just keep our fingers crossed.